Hello everyone, welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. If you're a subscriber, I want to thank you for watching. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you become a part of the Creative Decor family. Hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're working on our second tutorial on our 4-series Christmas centerpiece. I have 2 packs of this garland from the Dollar Tree. I have some flowers or poinsettias in gold and silver. I have some picks. I have some apples or pears, and I have this styrofoam wreath. And I have this silver charger plate. Now there may be a few other things that I'll be using, but I want to get started first by cleaning off my space, and we'll be right back. To get started, I have my styrofoam wreath here, and I have my garland. And because this is a stiff wire garland, I'm gonna take the end of it and stick it into the styrofoam. And then I'll start to wrap it around the styrofoam. When I get to the end, I'm gonna take my wire cutters and cut my garland. Then I'll take the end of it and I'll do the same thing that I did at the beginning. I'll stick the wire into the styrofoam. And you should have something that looks like this. The next thing I want to do is take all my flowers. I want to separate them and cut each floral off the stem. I added the white pick to brighten it up a bit. Then I'm going to take all my flowers and I am going to poke them into the styrofoam, creating a floral bouquet around the wreath. I then add some of the white picks into the wreath. I continue adding different picks. Also, I'll take my apples and add them to the wreath, and I'm only going to do about a half of the wreath. Just bring some sparkle and add some different elements. I have some picks with pine cones, and I have some with some silver bling. I'm going to add those to give it a more full look. To give it a little more color, I have some red cherries, and I'm going to take the leftover leaves and I want to put that onto the cherry. That's if I can get it on here. But this is what I intend to do, and I want to add this to my floral arrangement. I still think my reef needs something, so I want to sparkle up the grass. I'm going to take my Mod Podge and a paintbrush, and I just want to paint a little bit of Mod Podge onto the grass. I grab my silver confetti glitter and I just want to sprinkle it onto the Mod Podge while it's wet. I'm going to let this dry and we'll come back for the next step. This is the vase that I chose for the center of my piece. And I just want to embellish it a little bit. So I was going through my stash and I have some ribbon, and I pulled out the red ribbon, and I'm going to use my E6000 and I'm going to glue it to the bottom of the glass. I used the hot glue gun to glue down my ribbon on top of the ribbon. Then I pulled out my self-adhesive gold tape. I'm going to glue it down the sides. I'll glue it down both sides. Then I'll glue it down on the other two sides, having 4 rows of this gold tape. I'll do this, I'll put it all together, and we'll come back for the reveal. I think my centerpiece turned out absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, I added some vase fillers and a tea light. But you can do yours however you like. You might want to use a different candle holder. You could use a real candle. You can do any kind of vase fillers that make you happy. But you know me, I couldn't just make one. I made 2. Now each one is a little bit different, but they're both really, really pretty. So if you're out there watching and you're enjoying this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and become part of the Creative Decor family. And don't forget that notification bell if you want to see the 3rd video on Monday on this Christmas Centerpiece series. I want to say thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays.